Oh. Hey y'all, I'm Reg. It's Thanksgiving morning 2021. Going to get us a fire rolling this morning using the Regency i2450 insert, and just decided, let me make a video. This is our first year using a fireplace insert. Watch a lot of videos, got friends that have them, learned a lot of stuff. So this is my way of things I learned of how we get ours going and cooking. So gonna load it up with some kindling paper, fold up paper. Some wood. This is just pretty much to get the box hot, and there's a bit of ash down there. Get that all hot and going. Once you get these hot coals going, then you start cooking. I have another video about how I made my brownie fire starters. Yeah, I'm going to use to help set the fire going. Start off on here. This controls the flow. So put that wide open over there. As you've seen, I loaded it up with the kindling and start like these puppies. Over there. I'll stick one over there. Get out of the way, you can see. You know. Get it so it there. See the flame gets it going a little bit over there. Shut the door. Leave it cracked, which creates a draft. And let the kindling start getting hot and burning. You leave it cracked so it's like about wide as your pinky, you know, your finger. So that air is like shooting in. Let that go for about a good 5 minutes. As you can see, we've got a pretty decent flame going there. What I'm going to do now is to close the door tight, which is going to control the air. It's going to slow it down a little bit, but we're trying to make holes. But it also sets off towards I get my second burn going up there. You know what? Actually, I'm going to open it just to let those burn down. Okay, we got a decent flame. Going to add some bigger chunks. Open it slowly. Got them boys in there. Got them warm up and catch. Okay, now that these boys have caught, I'm going to shut the door, latch her up, let the flames do what it do. As you see, it goes up, hitting that nice second burn. Our temperature's going to go up. Eventually, when it gets hot enough, my little fan's going to kick on over here. The automatic fan will kick on. But that's a fire. As a matter of fact, let me get you a little closer. See under there how that. This is non-catalytic insert, but it has the tubes under the bottom to give it that secondary burn, as you can see. Now, depending on how you're burning, if I want to get it hot, I can open and close that flue for, you can adjust the burns, just slow it down, closing the flue. we'll open it up. We'll let it rage and somewhere in the middle. Thanks for watching.